the activity of volcano increasing sharply. Lava flooded the crater to rise and at least two major landslides occurred, which turned into percolating flows reaching the sea and forming ash poolish region at higher 1,500 meters. A new lava flow is now active in upper half of Scaria della Facor. The volcanic observatory Cantania reported that starting at 3:10 p.m. local time, lava began to erupt from the North Crater region in tandem with increased sputter and intense explosive activity from various vents of the volcano northern part of the crater. However, jumping by the webcam footage to increase in sputter activity had already begun early in the morning after about 6 a.m. Explosion came from the crater to at the top, plums risen 2-3 kilometers above the sun throwing hot bombs on the outer slopes of the crater and often generating volcanic lightning. At about 4 p.m. a strong explosion occurred of the volcano. The inhibitions of the island distinctly heard the roar of the explosions, followed by impressive column of smoke of ash rising from the crater of the volcano and also visible from the nearby islands.